Hello guys, welcome back. Here I have the X Note 4 and let me show you how to change the language on this device. First, unlock the screen, find and select Settings, then scroll down and choose Additional Settings. Select Language and Input, then tap on Language at the top of the screen. Here you have the full list of available languages you can use on your device. To change from English to Spanish, find and select Español. As you can see, the settings and applications will switch to Spanish. To go back to the previous language, find and select English from the list. Select English, for example, from the United States, and everything goes back to English. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.